Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and we are in Nuwara Elia.
In the mountains officially. Wow.
The moment I entered this town, I knew I have to make a vlog out of this because I have to show you the beauty of this place. So
So
please keep on
pretty.
watching.
Yeah.
Do you know Nuwara Elia is also called Little England and rightly so. बहुत ही सुंदर जगह है, बहुत ही प्यारी जगह है. And this stunning cafe that we have come to also luckily holds a hotel. तो हम लोगों के लिए बहुत easy हो गया. बिल्कुल कैफे के ऊपर हमने रूम लिया है यहाँ पे. Also a quick mention, the staff here is so good. They are so helpful, so cordial, very
And
good.
boating also happens there. All these are boats.
Absolutely, that's where we'll go for boating, but that's for later. For now, let's quickly have some food and get to some sightseeing. अभी के लिए हमने ऑर्डर किया है sweet potato chips with salsa, the french fries, hot chocolate. You can see it all on the table here. Their menu is very English, like scrambled eggs and avocado, all of that. And that's the view. This is a similar view you'll see in the morning as well, but I will show that to you from my personal room in
I
the
had no
morning.
idea that hydrangeas are so common in Sri Lanka. These plants are so beautiful, yeah. Look at that. They're so beautiful. But the hydrangeas at the back, and they're so commonly grown here. Like, it's amazing. Look at this, man. They are so beautiful. Somebody told me while we were coming here that you're gonna see amazing, beautiful flowers, and that's so true. Just look at this one. These are looking phenomenal, yeah. Dude, I'm in love with this. Adorable, yeah.
So it was evening time. We were really hungry, but it was not dinner time, so we decided to have some pizza. My daughter here is writing some messages just in case we head back here again. We would love to see this message on the table. People from all over the world have left them, from Russia, from Greece. I've seen all the messages here. So it was wonderful. One thing you'll see me doing throughout the trip,
Yeah, the
other
lights
vlogs
were
as
good.
well, is having a Coca-Cola. जितना Coca-Cola मैंने इस trip पे पी लिया है, मैंने कभी नहीं पिया है. I don't know why. I was just very devoted to it this time. The
I
pizzas
love
were
this.
yum. The
The
place is
whole
really
scene.
cozy. It was really fun to be here. The woman said it's not going as good as it used to be earlier because of the war and everything, but now she really hopes that the business picks up. This is a place for you guys if you ever want to come here. Very nice, very cozy place. We personally loved it.
To have pizza right next to our hotel. This was the pizza place. Do come, it was nice. The pizzas are good. This is the hotel, and these are the stairs. You go upstairs, and right there, 2 steps ahead, you'll find the pizza place. So you can go and check that out. And Amira has placed the note there. So if you go, do tell us if you find the note, whoever goes there. But nice place.
This is the reception slash foyer area of the hotel. Very cozy. छोटा सा होटल है but बहुत अच्छा होटल है. The interiors of this place are also so English, so elegant. Everything is so beautiful. We were literally drawn to this place. Cozy and really nice. अभी हम बच्चों ने थोड़ा सा टीवी देखा. हम लोग आ गए डिनर करने के लिए. This is the Indian summer restaurant. You will find this at a lot of places throughout in Sri Lanka. I also saw this, I think, in Ella, in Bentota. I am sure I saw these two places for sure. तो काफ़ी जगह पे रेस्टोरेंट है, काफ़ी बड़ा चेन है. तो जो पिज़्ज़ेरिया था हमारे लेफ्ट पे था और जो ये था हमारे राइट पे था लिटरली. सो एवरीथिंग वाज वेरी स्टोन थ्रो डिस्टेंस पे.
Kids are tired. We have come by the car. Otherwise, हम walk करके आने वाले थे, but नहीं आए. But it's a great place. We are gonna eat food and we'll review it later. But for now, the look-wise, it's good and decent. So you can have food here. Now let's head inside. अरे, पापा जी.
फूड वॉज वेरी वेरी गुड. श्रीलंका में खाने का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आपको ऐसा लगेगा आप इंडियन खाना खा रहे हो. हालांकि आप उनसे पूछोगे तो वो बोलेंगे हमारा श्रीलंकन फूड है बिकॉज देयर स्पाइसेस एंड आवर स्पाइसेस आर प्रीटी मच द सेम. उनका थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा ही रहेगा आई थिंक. But the food is very good. We ordered biryani, butter chicken, dal, naan, everything. The naan is actually the way I make it at home, so it was really tasty. Heading back to the hotel, थोड़ा सा ड्राइव भी किया हम लोगों ने, but literally super tired.
Oh my God.
This hotel, the room, the vibe, everything is so cozy, so beautiful. This fireplace gave me a different positive energy I can't explain. बस तो ये हमारा सुंदर सा रूम है. Love the color palette of the room, very olive and cream. I love it. Heading outside in the balcony. जैसे कि मैंने कहा morning view दिखाने वाली हूँ मैं आपको. So in 3, 2, 1. I love it. This is the balcony. This is the view that I was talking about. I'll show you in the morning. आप खुद ही देख लो इतना सुंदर है. You have to be here to experience it. Photos are not doing justice. The videos are not doing justice. It was, oh my god, blowing your mind beautiful. I have gotten ready. A lot of work has been done in the morning.
Hello everyone, good morning. And we are at Gregory Lake as mentioned last night. And this is the beauty, and this is the beauty, of course. Okay, so this is where we are going to in the evening. The boating is going to happen here, so that's where we will go in the evening. Now we're actually going to go for the breakfast, and yeah, that's about it. And that's the cafe right here where we're going to have a breakfast, or the first floor also you can have the breakfast. It's the same thing that's going on here. How am I looking, by the way? For now it looks nice, right? This is your view, and that's my view. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, let's go now.
We have come to the Victoria Park. I'll quickly cover this for you guys. This you have to come to. मुझे बहुत पसंद आया यहाँ पे flowers. I love flowers. यहाँ पे तो आना बनता है. बहुत ही सुंदर है. फी का स्क्रीनशॉट ये रहा जिसको भी चाहिए. Starting from this bridge now, यहाँ से आप ऊपर जाओगे और यहाँ से आपका पार्क प्रॉपर स्टार्ट हो जाता है. ये upside down flowers भी आपको दिखेंगे. I don't know the name, sorry. Beautiful place, very well maintained. Police is constantly guarding it, like there are constant guards in the park that are monitoring everything that's happening, which is great.
There are some snacking options over there, so you can go and have your food. Let's go and check that out also. I'm sitting here on this bench, and it's all inside the greenery. So cool. Bye. So cool. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Found the cutest, whimsical sort of a, what do you call this? Cabana sort of. Let me show that to you first. Yes, and I'm in love with how simple and beautiful this is looking. It's a pathway to another world. Let's go. So beautiful. Raise. This is the children's park. Not very attractive. Aage. Doesn't look very promising, but we're gonna just go and quickly check it out, and then we'll leave from here, I think.
Yes, we did leave the place in about 2 minutes. It was not very appealing. But पार्क के पीछे से एक रास्ता निकल रहा है जो सीधा एग्जिट पे जाता है. Do not, I repeat, do not take this way that we have taken. It was so smelly. It was like the whole sewer and everything all in your face, literally.
क्या हुआ?
We are taking the exit now from where we came in, and I will say Victoria Park is a must go. Very beautiful, very peaceful. I also found these cute marshmallows. No branding, nothing. Surprising, no? अब हम यहाँ से निकल के जा रहे हैं मेरे मोस्ट अवेटेड स्पॉट पे जो है सीता अमन टेम्पल जहाँ पे हनुमान जी का फुटप्रिंट है apparently. To hear about all these mythological stories all your life, but to finally witness it, it's truly surreal. तो बस 5-7 मिनट में हम लोग मंदिर पहुँच गए और सच बता रही हूँ बहुत बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था. It was really beautiful to visit this temple. We all loved it. I hope my kids remember this for life. स्विट्जरलैंड हो या श्रीलंका हो हमारी गाड़ी में सिर्फ डीडीएलजे के गाने बजते हैं when we are traveling. I mean, you get it right. The weather, the roads, it was so chilly, it was beautiful. These songs just add pure vibe to the entire vacation. प्लीज आप लोग ये रास्ता देखो, लिटरली हम लोग बादलों के बीच में थे, वी वर लिटरली इन द क्लाउड्स, वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, नीडलेस टू से। बस फिर हम अपने होटल पहुंचे, वी जस्ट पार्क द कार बिकॉज वी डोंट नीड द कार फॉर द लेक, क्योंकि सामने ही है बिल्कुल। और जब तक गाड़ी पार्क होती है, आप ये देखो, इतना सुंदर होटल है ना, सीरियसली बहुत ही प्यारा है। वॉक करते करते हम लोग आ गए हैं यहाँ पे, ये लेक ग्रेगरी पे। यहाँ पे लेक है और पीछे हमारा होटल आपको दिख रहा है, तो इट वाज वेरी इजी फॉर अस टू कम्यूट विद द किड्स, क्वाइट कंफर्टेबल। अब मैं चल रही हूँ बोटिंग पे, एंड टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, वैसे तो आपके पास कोई रीज़न नहीं है न्यूवेरा एलिया ना आने का, आप देख रहे हो कितना सुंदर है, बट डेफिनेटली जब भी आओ तो ये लेक ग्रेगरी आपको ज़रूर करना है, बोटिंग ज़रूर करनी है, बहुत ही सुंदर साइट सीइंग है। इसका मैंने पूरा शॉर्ट वीडियो डाला है, ज़रूर चेक करना गाइज, इट इज़ ब्यूटिफुल। नाउ वी हैव कम टू मंच समथिंग हियर, तो यहाँ पे ही लेक पे आपको दिख रहा है लेफ्ट में, ये ऊपर जाते जाते आपको बहुत सारे स्टॉल्स दिखेंगे जहाँ पे आप मंच कर सकते हो, बर्गर्स, फ्राइज। But I have to warn you, do not have the burgers here. The chicken burger was so funny. It was just like a plain salami and some ketchup thrown on it. Very bad. Do not eat it. Probably the only thing that was not good here. Then coming back to my beautiful plants, just look at this. इतना सुंदर flower है, एंड विल यू बिलीव दिस इज द सेम लेक। जब तक हम यहाँ से बाहर निकले, मौसम बिल्कुल बदल चुका है, कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है। इनफैक्ट आफ्टर अ वाइल हम लोगों को एक दूसरे की शक्ल ही नहीं दिख रही थी। इट वाज सो ब्यूटीफुल। हमारा होटल देखो कितना ब्यूटीफुली लिट हो गया इस टाइम पे। इसी वजह से मुझे निवेरा एलिया का अलग से ब्लॉग बनाना था, क्योंकि ये जगह वाकई में बहुत सुंदर है।
And that's the hotel. And we're just walking there now. This is your view, and I'm telling you, if you are coming to Sri Lanka, please do not miss Nuwara Eliya. This is beautiful, and it's truly very beautiful place. We have fallen in love.
और बस, this was our last night in this beautiful property. We had a lot of fun. This is the next morning I got ready in this beautiful yellow dress. I love this balcony shot. मैंने बहुत प्यार से शॉट बनाया था, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। तो बस अब हम लोग यहाँ से निकल रहे हैं, मन तो बिल्कुल नहीं है, बट लेट्स जस्ट से बाय बाय टू दिस ब्यूटीफुल प्रॉपर्टी। खूबसूरत रास्तों पे एक बार फिर से निकल पड़े हैं हम लोग। अब आपको पूरा श्रीलंका का ब्लॉग दिखेगा कुछ दिन में, सो वेट फॉर दैट एज वेल। आई होप आप लोगों को ये ब्लॉग पसंद आया हो। इफ यू लाइक दिस, डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। आई विल सी यू गाइज नेक्स्ट टाइम। अंटिल देन, बाय बाय, साइनिंग ऑफ फ्रॉम नुवेरा एलिया।